Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I just got this Dell XPS 17. We're gonna be looking at it together, so let's see. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Sorry. Let's see. So okay. So these are the accessories that comes with Dell XPS 17. Power brick, charger cable. This is the HDMI and USB dongle. The laptop itself doesn't have any HDMI ports, so they are giving you this. Okay. So the laptop itself, it's pretty neat. It's not that heavy, although it looks heavy, but it only has the memory card reader, audio jack, 2 USB-C ports, and on this side as well, 2 USB-C ports and the log. These are the events. I actually used it last night and I was doing some heavy stuff on it. I was exporting some videos and stuff. The fan does a good job. It keeps it really cool. It doesn't get warm. It's not that loud, but still it's a brand new machine, so let's wait and see what happens. I might do a review later in the future, so that I can give you guys an update on how it's doing.